And the last three on this page is writing an inequality. So we're not going to solve, we're just going to translate what it says. Scott drives a truck for a soft drink company. His truck is filled with 15-ounce cans and 70-ounce bottles. C is going to be the number of 15-ounce cans, B, the number of 70-ounce bottles. The truck must be carrying less than 4,000 pounds or 64,000 ounces. Use the values and the variables given. Write an inequality describing this. So we had 15-ounce cans. We're using C for the number of cans. So if I take 15 times C, that gives me how many ounces in cans, right? Plus, we had 70-ounce bottles, and we're using B for the bottles. So 70B would be the ounces for the bottles. The truck has to be carrying less than, and which number do we want to use? The ounces, because these were in ounces, so we want to use the ounces. So 15C plus 70B is going to be less than 64,000. (18) says, in a race, car 1 went an average of 150 miles an hour for X hours before dropping out. Car 2 went an average of 170 miles per hour for Y hours before dropping out. The distance car 1 traveled was at least that of car 2. Use the values and variables given. Write an inequality describing this. So, thinking about rate times time equals distance, how do we show the distance of car 1? His rate is 150 miles an hour. The time is X hours. So rate times time, 150X, right? How do we show the distance of the second car? 170Y. The distance car 1 traveled was at least that of car 2. What inequality symbol do we use for at least?
Greater than or equal.
Exactly, greater than or equal to. Could be equal to, but it might be more, so greater than or equal to. There's my inequality. Number 19, a landscaper is planting a tree that is now 48 centimeters tall. The tree will grow 4 centimeters per month for X months. The tree will grow to be less than Y centimeters tall. Write an inequality showing this relationship. So our tree starts out, and how big is it? 48 centimeters tall, 48. It is going to grow, so we are going to add, and it's going to grow at a rate of 4 centimeters per month for X months. So we're going to add 4X. The tree will grow to be less than, well, they made that easy, Y centimeters tall. So 48 plus 4X has to be less than Y. There's our inequality. All right.